Babe, we need to argue. No. No, we are perfectly fine right now. Yes, but like, it's a need. I need to like scream at you. You're fucking scaring me. I said I need! Oui, Sarah! What, Sarah? I don't even know what Sarah... You sure you don't? You sure? Head and shoulder. That gives me a reason to break up with you.